In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome. If you've ever wanted a simple way to make your browsing a little faster and more private, setting Chrome to use Cloudflare's DNS is a great option. DNS is like the internet's phone book, translating website names into the addresses your browser needs. By choosing Cloudflare as your DNS provider inside Chrome, your lookups can be quicker and are handled with modern security, which helps protect what you're doing online from being easily observed on public networks. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the main browser window. Now look to the very top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. That's the menu button. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the Settings page, glance to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section collects everything related to safety and data protection, so it's where we want to be. Next, click Security. You're now on the screen where Chrome's safe browsing tools and secure connection options live. Here, find the area that lets you select a DNS provider. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll see wording that mentions secure DNS and a choice of providers. That's exactly what you want. Look for the drop-down arrow next to the provider list. Click that arrow to open the list of available services, and then select Cloudflare. Once you click Cloudflare, Chrome immediately updates the setting. There's nothing else you need to save or restart. From this point forward, Chrome will use Cloudflare's DNS to resolve websites, and when possible, it will do so over an encrypted connection. That helps keep your browsing queries from being easily read by other parties on the same network, such as at a coffee shop or airport. It also centralizes your DNS choice inside Chrome, which is handy if you can't or don't want to change network settings at the system or router level. A few quick notes for clarity. This change applies to Chrome only. Other apps or browsers on your device will continue using whatever DNS they're configured for. If you're on a work or school managed device, this option might be locked by your administrator. And if the wording looks slightly different, don't worry, just stay in the security section and use the drop down where you can choose the DNS provider. That's it. You've set Chrome to use Cloudflare DNS, improving privacy and potentially speeding up site lookups with just a few clicks.